everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am back with Mark of Providence Homes by Bill Seller. And guess what, guys? He has another quick move-in available today for you in the beautiful community of Seabrook Village. So thanks for having us.
Always welcome. Let's go check out this house. This is the gorgeous Cypress by Providence Homes. It's approximately 2,400 square foot. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a loft flex space as well. As we come in, got a nice inviting foyer and a little powder bath for the guests. So again, 3.5 full baths, so everybody has a bathroom in this one. So as we come in, it opens up into a really stunning vaulted ceiling family room, open, bright kitchen. What do you think, Heather?
I love the white also, the white of the kitchen. I love the quartz countertop. There's a beautiful veins going through it, kind of like a honey brown, little gray. So everything is light and bright. And as we go through this Cypress quick move-in, you are gonna see lots of windows, whether it's that beautiful fixed window at the front, which Carling will capture again, but I love those, I call them picture windows, but the fixed window. Also, I love that they have a powder room on the first floor as you come in. So again, your guests are using, a separate space, which is wonderful. And then this little cute area, put your coffee bar, whatever you want to put. You can hide your toaster this way, but I like that also if you're entertaining, think about the items that would be on that counter are hidden.
And counter space is a premium. This kitchen has a ton of it. Large island, has the gourmet kitchen option, pot and pan drawers, the whole 9 yards. The flooring in here also is the luxury vinyl plank. It runs throughout the main living areas, very light, very bright, extremely durable, and there's no grout to clean when you have the tile. So the luxury vinyl plank is a huge advantage. If you're not into maintenance, really good deal.
And you just saw the laundry room. Everyone knows I love a laundry room. I thank you, Providence Homes, for putting the sink in there. So when you move in, go ahead and start hand washing all of your kids' sports equipment immediately.
Home projects, kids stuff. Everybody can use the utility sink. So this house features the upgraded vault ceiling covered porch. So you get these really cool transom windows above the triple sliders. Again, just light is oozing in here from every direction. It really is a really good feel in this house. The yard is spacious. You've got the fence already in play, and you have an oversized brick paver covered patio for outdoor entertaining. The gas line is already pre-plumbed. It's all set up.
And we are in Seabrook Village. We're in phase 1 of Seabrook Village. Not a lot of opportunity and sales left with Providence Homes. So if you do want a house, you need to get this today. It is available, but what you're seeing, you saw that vinyl fence in the back. You can continue on additional fencing on the side if you choose to. But what's great is with the yard space, if you do have a dog or kids, guess what, guys? They don't have to ruin your yard because you'll be able to go steps away to Seabrook Park, and we'll talk more about that in a second. But look at the beautiful tray ceiling as we come in.
Yeah, so inner suite's plenty big, 16 by 14. It's scaled for a king bed. Complete set of furniture will fit in here, ideal. They even did a pre-wire on the wall to float a TV if you choose to.
I like that.
Just a nice finishing touch where you're not having to do that after the fact. Again, light colors.
That flooring.
Yeah, the vinyl.
I really like that you carried it into the primary bedroom. So that's a really nice touch.
For air quality, cleanliness, allergens, having this solid floor is a huge advantage.
Coming into, there we go, guys, the spa-like bathroom. Large countertop, plenty of space. You've got the double vanity, of course, but lots of drawer space, deep drawers, cabinets. Nice size shower. It's the frameless glass. I love that.
Yeah, this is the Serenity Spa bath where you get a freestanding tub, frameless shower. There's even a custom pebble floor on the shower floor, and then this tile definitely gives you the feel of a spa-like atmosphere in here. Just absolutely gorgeous.
And there's a pocket door once you leave. So this is a pocketed door. So by not having the swinging door, it also gives you more wall space. You've got, of course, your closet in the back. Carling, it's like
Carling's
surprise!
Popping into the walk-in closet, which for shoes, purses, clothing, this closet has it all. It even has a little storage under the stairs. So as you come in, Carling, look to your left. keep going, boom, even more space. So it's just phenomenal use of space in the Cypress's closet here.
So nice size closet. Maybe as you come out, Carlin, maybe backing out is what I'm thinking, just to again show people their space. So as you come, the closet's in the far back. You've got a linen closet on the left. You've got your, of course, where your toilet is on the right. We won't ever show that. But then your beautiful frameless glass shower. I'm just guiding Carling as she's coming out. But primary bedroom again on the first floor. But guess what, guys? With this Cypress floor plan, wait till you see the size of the secondary bedrooms.
Yeah.
Providence Homes, you knocked it out of the park because it's not these small, teeny tiny, I'm talking very large secondary bedrooms. I mentioned Seabrook Village a few minutes ago that they have Seabrook Park. That is a beautiful, over 7,000 square foot pool. It has a dog park, a large dog park, by the way, terrific kids playground and restrooms. So it has been a huge favorite of the residents of Seabrook Village that have been moving down here. Of course, anyone in Nocatee is welcome to attend and come there, but when you live here and buy this particular floor plan, you will be steps away. So you're seeing as we come into one of the 3 secondary bedrooms, this particular one has its own full bath, walk-in closet. Mark, I know people love this.
They do. So what you mentioned earlier is in this market, when we talk to our buyers, you know, postage stamp bedrooms are not high on their list of priorities. This house completely reworks that. Each room has a walk-in closet. They're well over 13 by 14, 12 by 16. These rooms are big.
Yeah, look at this. So this is the other, these 2 bedrooms will share a bathroom, a full bath, but again, walk-in closet. Carlin, can we just look at one? We don't have to do the other one, but I can promise you, the viewer, that the 3rd bedroom also has a walk-in closet. So a lot of times in our videos, we'll say, pick your favorite child, they'll get the best bedroom. Well, guess what, guys? Everybody gets a nice bedroom.
Everybody gets one. You get one, you get one. Everybody gets one. And having 2 full baths on the 2nd floor with the loft, with 3 bedrooms, very flexible house. People working from home, you can carve out some office space up here.
Absolutely.
The storage is phenomenal, getting all the walk-in closets. So on top of award-winning floor plans at Providence, we build 100% certified Energy Star. We do spray foam in the attics. Chocolate rabbits can live in the attics. It won't melt. And we also do Indoor Air Plus. So quality, comfort, efficiency, healthy air, that's what we are known for.
And look at the beautiful, and look at the view. You're seeing the tops of the beautiful pine trees way on the other side. So just a nice view from this beautiful, large, oversized loft. And there's some exciting things to share because Providence Homes, who has been with Nocatee for many years, basically,
many years. Wonderful
almost since the beginning, but Providence Homes has something exciting to tell you.
We do. So we are building in the final phase of Seabrook Village. We're so excited. Our partnership has been so good over the years. We are going to enjoy the last phase of Seabrook Village. We're going to offer all types of homes, great incentives, guys. Come see me. This house is ready to go, incentivized really well. We're just waiting for you guys. Come out and see us.
Okay, and what's our address right here?
76 C Greenway.
All right,
there
so 76 C Greenway, quick move-in page is available on Nocatee.com. And to see all the new floor plans and existing floor plans from Providence Homes, final phase of Seabrook Village. We just announced it this morning, so excited. So thanks for watching. Check out Nocatee.com and call Mark, Providence Homes by Bill Seller today.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.